Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to write a letter of application. What is a letter of application? A letter of application is a formal business letter written when applying for a job, scholarship, internship, attachment, or any advertised position. Since it is a formal letter, it must follow a specific format. In KCSE, examiners expect 8 distinct parts arranged in the correct order. Remember this, good content alone is not enough. If the format is wrong, you immediately lose marks. The first part is the sender's address. Write your address at the top left. Do not include your name here. For example, Majimazuri School, P.O. Box, Nairobi. Next is the date. Leave a line space after the sender's address. The date is written in full format. Avoid abbreviations like 19/7/2026 or 19th July full stop. The best way to write the date is 19th July, 2026 full stop. After the date, we have the receiver's address. You leave a line space after the date. Start with the official title of the person you are writing to, followed by the company or institution name and the address. For example, the Human Resource Manager, this is the official title of the person. Elimu Publishers Limited, that is the company or institution. P.O. Box 10200, that is the address. And then Nairobi, that is the town or the city. After the receiver's address, we have the salutation. You leave a line space after the receiver's address. Use a formal opening. If you do not know the specific name, use Dear Sir or Dear Madam. Next is the subject matter, written as Re. Leave a line space after the salutation. You write Re, followed by the clear reason for the letter. It must be brief, fully capitalized, and underlined. For example, Re, application for the position of editorial assistant. Part 6 of the letter, that is the body of the letter. This is the most important section. Write 3 to 4 paragraphs. In paragraph 1, you introduce yourself, state the position you are applying for. Mention where you saw the advert. For example, I wish to apply for the position of editorial assistant advertised in the Daily Nation of 15th July 2026. In paragraph 2, talk about your academic qualifications. Mention relevant skills. For example, you can talk about the KCSE grade. Maybe you obtained a degree, a diploma. You have computer skills, communication skills, leadership skills. Only include qualifications related to the advertised position. In paragraph 3, discuss your experience. Mention any previous responsibilities, then explain the qualities that makes you suitable. For example, you can say you are hardworking, honest, disciplined, self-motivated, able to work under minimum supervision, or an excellent team player. Support your claims with examples whenever possible. In paragraph 4, conclude politely. Express your willingness to attend an interview. Thank the employer for considering your application. Remember to mention your attachments. For example, I have attached copies of my curriculum vitae, certificates, and testimonials for your consideration. I look forward to attending an interview at your convenience. Thank you for considering my application. After the body paragraph, we have the complementary clause. Leave one line after the body paragraph. Since in your salutation you wrote "Dear Sir" or "Dear Madam," then your complementary clause should be "Yours faithfully." Kindly notice that only the first word begins with a capital letter. If you wrote "Dear Mr. Kimani," then your complementary clause should be "Yours sincerely." Sign your name. Below the signature, write your full name in capital letters. These are the KCSE marking insights for the letter of application. To score full content marks, your body paragraph must explicitly cover, number 1, your source of information. Where did you get the information and when did you get the information? Number 2, academic or professional qualification. You have to state the grades, diplomas or degrees relevant to the job. Number 3, the experience. Mention previous similar responsibilities or roles. And then finally, the enclosures. You have to state that you have attached supporting documents, for example, the CV. Language and tone. Use a formal tone. Avoid contractions. Use "I am" instead of "am." Do not instead of "don't." Passive or objective voice where necessary. Present your skills confidently but politely. Next is the punctuation. Ensure strict punctuation in the address. Commas at the end of lines. Full stop at the final destination. Let us look at a sample letter of application. Maji Mazuri School, P.O. Box 7890 and the code is 00200, Nairobi, full stop. Skip a line because the date is not part of the sender's address, 19th July, 2026, full stop. Skip a line again. The managing director, Bora Academy, P.O. Box 1234 and the code is 00100, Nairobi, full stop. Skip a line. Dear Sir, skip a line again. Application for the position of untrained teacher of English. Remember, the is capitalized and underlined. Skip a line, the first paragraph. I am writing to express my interest in the position of untrained teacher of English at your school, as advertised in the Standard newspaper on 15th July 2026. The second paragraph. I recently completed my Certificate of Secondary Education, KCSE, at Maji Mazuri School, where I attained a mean grade of A- with a straight A in both English and literature. During my time in school, I served as the chairperson of the journalism club and was the lead editor for the school magazine. These roles allowed me to hone my communication, instructional, and organizational skills. We come to the third paragraph. I am passionate about language and eager to gain classroom experience before joining the university later this year. I am patient, disciplined, and ready to contribute to your school's track record of academic excellence. The final paragraph. I have attached my curriculum vitae and copies of my academic certificates for your review. I am available for an interview at your earliest convenience. You skip a line. Yours faithfully. Remember, in your salutation, we wrote Dear Sir, and then you sign Lucy Kemboi. If this lesson has helped you, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates. Thank you for watching.